Hello, my name is Jeremy Miller. I'm the founder of Jabber and XMPP, and I have one word to describe this team you're about to meet: epic. In my entire career working on communication protocols, I've never met a team that is as passionate and dedicated to simplifying complex systems as they are. And there's no system more complicated right now than the Internet of Things. Their brilliance in this space has led them to uncover a huge opportunity, and I believe this opportunity is actually the building blocks of a secure and private device-centric future. I'm so excited that I'm joining the team to help them build this out, and I hope that you will too. Here's Eric of Filament to tell you more.
Good morning. We're all here at Demo Day because of all the incredible excitement around the Internet of Things. But it's hard to believe that consumer products make up such a small part of the connected devices market. The biggest opportunity in this space by far is what's called the industrial internet, where companies use wireless sensor networks to make their existing infrastructure smarter, safer, and more efficient. Hi, I'm Eric Jennings, the CEO of Filament, and we've built a nervous system for the industrial internet. Building large-scale sensor networks is incredibly challenging for even the largest companies. In fact, a Fortune 50 company came to us recently for help after their R&D team tried for 6 months and failed to build their own. These companies know that a smart, connected infrastructure can give them invaluable insights into their operations and potentially save them billions of dollars. Companies that can't get their operations online simply cannot stay competitive. And the largest companies have the most to lose. Let me be crystal clear with you all today. Companies without a smart, connected infrastructure will be out of business in 10 years. So the race is on. Companies across industries are rushing to get their things connected. But there hasn't been an easy way for them to do that until now. At Filament, we've built the first turnkey solution to the smart infrastructure problem. It's a wireless sensor network that's adaptable, scalable, and secure. Let me show it to you. This is the wireless node of a Filament network. It's compact and battery-powered, so you can attach it to anything. It has built-in sensors that let you measure things like light and sound, among others. But it's much more than just a sensor. Through its USB port, you can connect it to any machine or equipment. This lets you monitor or control just about anything. They communicate wirelessly with each other without using Wi-Fi or cellular networks. And they do this at an astounding range of up to 9 miles. Thank you. It makes Filament networks instantly deployable at almost any scale. Put 5 of them in a room, 500 of them in a building, or 5,000 of them across a campus, factory, or city. And of course, the data from a Filament network is available in real time through our streaming API, and also integrates securely with many cloud-based services. So you see, we really have built the entire turnkey solution for creating smart, connected infrastructure. So here's how Filament makes money. We provide the hardware at 0 upfront cost, and instead sell access to the sensors themselves as a monthly service plan. And we call this Sensor as a Service. And it does 2 very important things. First, companies now get a predictable monthly expense for their Filament networks with no upfront investment. It lets them deploy Filament networks in days instead of months. Second, Filament becomes a highly scalable company built on monthly recurring revenue. We become a connectivity provider, not just a hardware company. You know, when we started Filament, we had a hunch that companies would pay for a solution like this. And it turns out we were right. We've seen over $250,000 in sales in the last 6 months selling an early version of our product. But that's not the best part. The best part is that with our current product, we've built a sales pipeline that's on track to generate $10.5 million in annual recurring revenue. And the networks are so easy to deploy that some of the largest companies in the world are using our devices right now. And they've used Filament to make an almost 500 million number of sensor readings so far. We've established several pilot programs for our largest deployments. Companies use Filament to track radiation levels across Japan, to avoid collisions between vehicles on a construction work site, and to monitor the manufacturing line for a major US corporation. At Filament, we have a team of tech veterans, having worked for companies like Yahoo, Apple, Jabber, and Autodesk. Jeremy Miller, our new CTO, who you saw in the intro video, invented core technology used by over 1 billion people every day. We're experts at building global scale networks. Companies need to connect to survive. Filament connects them at no upfront cost, and Filament connects them today. We've built the nervous system for the industrial internet. If you'd like to learn more and come see Filament in action, we'd love to see you afterwards. Thank you so much.